Hello, this is Wayne.
And Belinda.
We're with Normal Prepping. We were just outside and we saw something strange. Either it's a, I don't know, UFO.
Satellites, but oh my gosh.
You're going to have to see this. Unfortunately, we saw it. We were kind of at awe. So we didn't really...
We didn't get the very beginning of it coming up out of our trees. But as soon as he got his camera, we started videoing it. And it's just the strangest thing. It was just a stream of light.
Multicolored lights.
And then it was going extremely slow. And it was humongous. I mean, huge. And then it went up. And then as as it got higher, the front part of the lights, one by one, started to go out.
Yeah, slowly from the beginning to the end, it slowly went out.
And then it all went black.
And it was way up there. It was really, really high.
Yeah, it was.
We don't know if it was drones, a bunch of drones doing their thing.
Yeah, it could have been drones, but...
UFO, a flying snake. But if you guys see anything like this, put it in the comments.
Yeah,
put it in the comments. This is kind of mind-blowing. I wish we would have got it earlier, because when we first saw it, it
was coming through the trees.
It was coming through the trees, and then I was a little slow. At first, I thought someone was just hanging in the trees, so I was a little slow getting my camera. But we'll show it to you now. So take a look, and then let us know what you think it is. Leave something in the comments. Is it a UFO? Is it drones?
It was pretty freaky, though.
Yep. So here's for the video. Thanks for watching.
Are you getting it?
Yes.
Look how it's moving. Oh, it's getting dark. Oh my God, Wayne. It's still there, but... Oh my God, it got dark.
Yeah, I did.
Did you get that?
I did.
Where the hell